I'm just doing this to document Honda Pilot 2021 3.5. This is the AC compressor. It's completely seized. You can't even turn it. I can't even spin it by hand. All the instructions say that it goes up towards the top. They say to take off the alternator support, and then this bracket right here for the AC compressor that also holds on to the alternator. I'm gonna try a different way and see how that works out. Also, I've seen some people take it out from this side, but the frame is in the way, so unless I take out more stuff, I don't know. So my way is I'm gonna try and loosen these bolts, well, take them off. Same with the other side. Lower the subframe and see if I can get enough room here and squeeze it out, and then put the new one in. Might as well. We'll see. All right, scrap that idea. That didn't work out. So I ended up taking this bracket off. Ooh, where's that? Oh, right here. Took that off. It's like a lot of bolts. It's 14 mils. Got the alternator in the bottom. Make sure you push the was it the adjuster sleeve, I think it's called. And then this is gonna come out through the wheel well. And then hopefully compressor comes out right behind it. We'll see. All right, little update. Crank had to come out, crank pulley. New compressor's in. Gonna have to finagle it in and out. Don't forget to push this out. It's not on the alternator, it's on this. So make sure you push that out and then put it back in. And hopefully it slips right in. It's pretty easy. All right, bye. Compressor's in, brackets in. Got the belt on too. Might as well. Crank is back on. Now, gonna do the rest. Blow out the lines. Make sure you change the O-rings. See if it focuses, yeah. And then, yeah. So I gotta replace the condenser and evap and expansion valve, so yeah. All right, now that you've gotten your expansion valve, make sure you get all those bolts, or screws actually, like 2 bolts right there, and right there. There's this piece. It takes 2 Torx. They're right here. And then take off the blower box. I'll probably do that in a bit. And then there's a piece right here that holds on to the cover of the evaporator. I'll get to that in a bit. All right, blower motor's out, or the whole assembly. There's a 10 nut here and here. And then I'm not gonna gatekeep this shit. Make sure you take off your floor mat, because that's gonna give you more room. There's gonna be that little bracket. It's little 7s. Take these 2 off. There's a 10 right here. And then there was another 10. Oh, right there. There's a 10 right there. And then it's also easier if you take off this little vent. So that's out. That's the cover for the evaporator. Obviously disconnect your stuff, and then I'll have this off in a bit, and then probably be able to see the evaporator. Okay, here's the cover. They're all 7s except for, I think one of them was, I think is this one. That was a 5.5, 5.5. This one sucks, and this one sucks. Make sure you get that. This one's pretty easy to get to. And then don't forget to take off your clip for the solenoid, because it goes right through, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's right there. Let's see if I can get a light on it. Ugh. Am I not focusing like my bare eyes? Here we go. All right, so I'm pretty sure you have to replace this white seal. Get some light in there. And then this should pop out. Yeah, there we go. They say to take off their expansion valve, but God think I might. Yeah, I'm gonna do that first before, because it stops right here. So let me do that first and then I'll. Alrighty. Expansion valve is out. It should come out. It should slide right out. So what happened to the system is that the compressor just seized, stopped. I'm not exactly sure why. I looked at all the lines. There's no shrapnel or anything inside, but I do not want to risk just replacing the compressor and, you know, it ruining the compressor again. So there's, let's see if I can see it. Yeah. Either way, might as well do everything. Be safe than sorry, and you know, not have to do the compressor twice, because I didn't want to do that again. All right, put everything back together the way you took it off, and have a good day. Bye bye.